Welcome and thanks for taking the time to view this video where we will be looking at resolving an issue with a malformed network interface file on Nutanix CVMs which may prevent the CVMs to boot properly during a planned upgrade or maintenance activity. The alert can be found when running an NCC version 4 health check on a CVM console by running NCC space health underscore checks space run underscore all. This can also be ran in Prism's health page, actions drop-down box, run checks, run all. Results will be downloadable in Prism's task page, NCC health checks succeeded link once completed. After running NCC health checks, you'll see the warning message on the check interface configuration files referencing /etc /sysconfig /network-scripts /ifcfg-eth0 being malformed with specific values that may be missing in the file on one or more CVMs. Specifically, the type Ethernet is where you'll encounter this error. You can get the CVM IP addresses in the cluster by running svm IPs. This fix is easily addressable. SSH into a CVM identified for the alert using SSH space Nutanix at CVM IP address. Edit the file by typing sudo space vi space /etc /sysconfig /network-scripts /ifcfg-eth0. You'll notice that the type equals Ethernet is missing in the file. Press the Insert key to place the VI text editor into insert mode. Add, in capital letters, TYPE =, opening quote, capital E, lowercase THERNET, end quote line to the file. Case sensitivity will matter as well as the quotes. Verify the change, then press the Escape key to exit the VI text editor's insert mode, then save the settings of the file by typing :WQ!! Repeat the process on any identified CVMs. For a large number of CVMs, there are single-line Linux commands to append the text to the file for all nodes identified. Rerun the NCC health check and the warning message will be gone with the issue resolved. This concludes this video. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful in resolving this issue. Thanks for watching and have a great day.